So very good morning to all of you guys. This is Rahul Prajapati, and thanks for tuning into morning market briefing. Let's start with the today's session with SGX. So again, if we see on the SGX, we have seen market is again showing a gap up around with approximately 60, 70, 80 points. Right now, if we see the market is trading near 17,600, right? Even though we have discussing from past few days that market trend seems to be positive, right? So from here, market was facing a resistance of 17,500. It just closed somewhere there only yesterday. Now it's again a gap up opening. So 17,600 is where we market is trading. On the higher side, as we have already discussed, 17,800 is the resistance for the market. Now 17,500 would be working as a good support. Now, if we talk about the today's expiry as such, so it's the last day for this month. So probably we'll be seeing the the broader data probably, right? Okay. As of now, for today's session, if we talk about this, could be the range that we can anticipate, right? Okay. Talking about the trend specifically using the OI data, you can see that there's a clear structure of bullishness in the Nifty, okay? And we are talking about since last week only that it's just a profit booking and then market is likely to move up and it's actually started moving up, right? Looking at the OI data specifically for uh, Nifty, so we can say that 17,500 was having the the highest OI, and we have seen the unwinding happening yesterday. Now on the higher side, we can see 17,800 and 18,000 is the level that we can anticipate. 17,500 is a good support, right? So as we can see in the chart also. Talking about the Bank Nifty also, that Bank Nifty is trading in a range of 2,000 points, that is 35,000 on the lower side and 37,000 on the higher side. So this is the still the range in the Bank Nifty is consolidating in this range. So again, we need a breakout. If we talk about the OI structure specifically, we can't see any major built up from the long. So in the last 2 days, we are also having a short covering in this, right? So let it give a breakout and then we'll see how it behaves, right? So you can see 36,000 was a resistance for Bank Nifty. It broke up that level and we can see that huge unwinding happening on that level. On the higher side, 36,500 is working as a resistance and good addition on 36,000 put also. So that's a support. So we can anticipate this, 500 points range in Bank Nifty today also, right? Okay. Talking about the top gainers and losers. So yesterday, Godrej CPLT and Ramco Cement were the top gainers. ONGC, Hindalco, and JSW were the top losers. Approximately all went down by 5% approximately. Talking about the contribution to Nifty, we can see that private banks is contributing good on the higher side, and NBFC is also contributing good points specifically on the higher side, even IT also. So these are the few sectors that contributed positive. We can see the metal is going on the negative side specifically after a good move up. So if we see from here, we can specifically see PSU banks, oil and auto stocks are having a good move up. Now the first stock that we talked about, Axis Bank, was consolidating in this range, and 750 was the resistance for that, and it gave a breakout on the higher side, right? Now, if we talk about the on the higher side, we can say that the Axis Bank is having a resistance around 800 level. Okay, so that is what we can anticipate now on the higher side. Now talking about the OI, we have a good structure of long built up from last 3 days. So that's a good buying happening in Axis Bank. Now, even if any dip towards like happening towards 750, that would be good buying opportunity in this. Okay. Talking about the OI on the option chain, you can see 760 is the immediate resistance that we are facing, and 750, 740 would be a good support for Axis Bank. So stock is in a long, we can go and take a trade in this. As so keep this trade for the today's only, as because probably try to solve it on the intraday specifically. Okay, probably we'll see in the next week how the markets turned out after that. Talking about the second stock, that is Reliance. So we have seen oil stocks are moving up. So as Reliance is contributing a lot in that, we have seen a good run up in the Reliance. Even though we have discussed, when the stock was trading around 2,600, we were also, seen that stock likely to move to 2,700, and it did move after that. So the stock structure still look, positive. Any dip could be a good buying opportunity in this. Okay. if we see the OI structure, we don't have any specific structure in this from the OI, but still, because we are, very near to the expiry, so this data might be, a lot of unwinding, and that will be happening, and rollovers might be happening. So as of now, the not specific, we can see any change in the OI from here. Now moving towards the, so from this level, if we say, we can see that, the for next expiry OI, you can see that 2700 added a lot of calls. Okay, so that is the resistance we are facing. So if that breaks up, we can see that, market is likely to move up to 2800 even after that. 2600 added a good put addition. We have seen a good addition in the put, so that is a good support as of now for Reliance. So the stock is on the long side. We need to wait to break the stock to break 2700, and it likely to move up right after that. So again, Reliance is again positive on the cards, right? Now, if we talk about the summary, so Nifty, we have the range of the 17,800 and 17,500. Bank Nifty, again, a 500 points range. We have seen oil, auto, and PSU banks performing yesterday. No short built up specifically, right? Okay. Axis Bank looks positive, so we'll be going long above 760. Okay, and 750 would be a good support. If the stock take a dip towards 750, 750, 40 would become a good support, and then we can still be, going long in this. Second stock is specifically Reliance. Okay. So above 2700, we can see that, there's a good breakout likely to happen, and 2800 at least we can anticipate in this level in the stock, and 26 is a good support. Even 2650 we can go. Okay, so that's not a major issue, but still, on any dip we can just go and buy the Reliance. Okay, ban list only one stock is trading, that is idea. Okay, so that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.